Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in sports and outdoor gear. Today, we're diving into the world of roller skating and showcasing the top 5 best roller skate shoes of 2023. If you're looking to upgrade your skating experience or just starting out, these skates will definitely catch your attention. So, without further ado, let's get rolling. Number 5 on our list is the Rapid Glide Pro. These roller skates are designed for speed and precision. The boots feature a sleek and modern design, made with durable materials that provide excellent ankle support. The wheels are crafted with high-quality polyurethane, offering a smooth and fast ride. Whether you're racing or simply cruising around, the Rapid Glide Pro is a great choice for intermediate to advanced skaters. Moving on to number 4, we have the Aero Spin Airflow. These roller skates are perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who love to feel the wind in their hair. The Aero Spin Airflow is equipped with breathable mesh uppers, allowing for maximum ventilation and comfort during long skating sessions. The wheels are designed to absorb shocks, making them ideal for rough terrains. With their stylish appearance and reliable performance, the Aero Spin Airflow skates are a fantastic option for those seeking adventure on wheels. Now let's talk about number 3 on our list, the FlexiGrip X Pro. These skates are all about versatility and flexibility. With their unique pivoting system, the FlexiGrip X Pro allows you to effortlessly transition between skating and walking. The boots are lightweight and offer a snug fit, ensuring maximum control and maneuverability. Whether you're at the skate park or on city streets, the FlexiGrip X Pro delivers a smooth and enjoyable ride. Coming in at number 2, we have the Precision Pro Elite. These skates are engineered for precision and performance. The boots are made with advanced materials that provide excellent support and stability. The wheels are designed to minimize vibrations, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. The Precision Pro Elite skates are perfect for skaters who demand accuracy and control while enjoying their favorite activities. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best roller skate shoes of 2023 is the Infinity Glide Supreme. These skates combine style, comfort, and top-notch performance. The boots feature a customizable fit, allowing you to adjust them to your liking. The wheels are designed for optimal speed and agility, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor skating. With their sleek design and incredible performance, the Infinity Glide Supreme skates are a true standout in the roller skating world. And that concludes our countdown of the top 5 best roller skate shoes of 2023. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned skater, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember to do your research and find the skates that best suit your needs and preferences. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting gear reviews and sports updates. Thanks for watching, and happy skating! If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.